Guys, DJ Gamer here along with
Dito.
I've just got to the disc. Oh, I'll do it myself. I've got to the disc stuck on my bleeding hand. Fuck that. Alright, we're playing Saints Row 2. My game, it's pretty good. We'll do a few missions on it.
I want to do one. Do one video.
I'll do it. I'm gonna do a video.
So, TJ, what do you think of Saints Row 3rd and Saints Row 2nd compared?
They're pretty good. Compared, on here you've got to actually fight your way to the top though.
Yeah.
Who's been at top. The storylines can get a bit confusing.
Can you go on multiplayer?
It don't work. You don't have a network. I've already tried it before. Oh yeah, I burnt him with a tattoo spray. A bit bright. Alright, it's not showing it properly. Make it a bit bright. Put the exposure up a bit. Sorry about this. Just technical terms. Alright, wait. It looks a bit dark.
Alright.
Alright, this is me. I'm just going to change. Tap. There you go. Sorry about this, guys.
Somebody?
There you go.
Making that mosquito outfit.
There we go. Yeah. What one's how do you do this?
We're either doing first time you die.
Yeah.
See how good you are.
Pretty good at this one. I'm gonna go drive to one of my cribs. Oh, that was bad.
Brum.
I can't do the L2 triangle thing on air. What the fuck? I haven't been on air in a while. I'll just drive to that. I got what?
I'm driving into a building.
It's my crib.
Oh.
1 second.
job this bad, still manage to get worse every day.
This is my crib.
Cool.
Have I got some stickers down there? Yeah, I got some stickers down there. Right, mate. What are you doing just standing there? Fucking nice. Alright, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna go do a Brotherhood mission. I've got to do the next Brotherhood mission. So,
5 minutes, 6 minutes.
Fine. What's up, mate?
Oh, we got this city locked down.
Really? Might jump off here in a minute. Just getting my helicopter.
I'm good. It's all taken care of.
All my stats, this is on. Awesome. I knew that I said it. No. Oh my god. Alright, fun. Oh fucking shit, man. Where's my heli gone? I wanna see when my heli's crashed.
I heard a rumor that Aisha's head was up for sale in theater.
I get that. Okay. I'll do it again. I don't know why I'm just spin kicking shit. Ooh.
Let me give it up for you. Fuck you.
Oi, Sam. Dito.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Come on, 8 minutes.
Okay, I thought messing with. We might just do this in another video just in case it's me messing.
Probably not.
Maybe. Oh,
Carlos, where the fuck are you?
I was just looking in the background.
How'd
Just.
you like Meryl's new tattoo?
I think it's pretty sexy. I mean, tough.
Radioactive?
That's cute.
I try. Now what the fuck do you want?
Well, I just wanted to let you know that since you were nice enough to give my man a makeover, I should return the favor. Don't worry, by the time we're through with him, Carlos will look just as handsome as Meryl.
Listen up, you fucking bitch.
I don't have access to the same materials you did, but you know, I mean, I figure we could do.
I find you.
I mean, I'm sure you'll do something scary. Do me a favor, when you're scraping up your buddy's face, just remember, Meryl gave you a chance to be his partner.
Need a car.
9 minutes.
How far is it?
I don't know. What we doing next?
I need to win someone.
Homies.
Yeah, come on, Gat.
I get to shoot something? You only gotta ask one.
Yeah. Come on, Gat.
Who's behind you?
I keep getting my controls confused. I think it's like better controls for the other thing.
Yeah.
You said 12, 30, but
10.5. I need a gangster bitch. I want a gangster bitch. Yes!
fuck it up.
Do we need a gangster bitch?
Where you get it? Oh, fucking hell. Read it.
Ah, standing around.
No, I really want to read them. You ended the first video early.
Only got like 4 minutes.
It's not that in there. For fuck's sake, I've
I
got
need a gangster bitch.
bitch. No. We're in Shonda. Shonda! Let's go Shonda! Shonda, it's
Still looking to join the Hobo Nation?
maybe. Mom, we need to save him! It's cast fucking fast!
12 minutes.
I have to save him! I'm coming!
You're coming?
No! I'm coming to save him! No!
I need a gangster bitch.
What's up? Stop shooting me! You can beat up Donald. Get them. We're gonna. Oh, yeah, sex though. And I picked up the sex.
Blow up.
Where is it? I'm gonna beat him up with a sex though. Beat him up with a sex.
Oh, my, you again?
12.5.
Where'd Miro take Carlos? I don't know where he is. Wrong answer. I can't tell you. Miro will kill me. Then we're gonna have a problem.
Beat him
Even
up
if I
with a
knew
sex
it, I
though.
wouldn't tell you. This is your last chance. I heard him say they were gonna take him on a ride around the docks.
13.
Right, we'll do it in a part 2.
Do you have to?
Yeah.
Don't have enough time. It's like 12:30. I'm going at 1.
Alright. I need to save my buddy!
Hey, this has been Detour and TJ Gamer. Please like, subscribe, and peace out.